So I have a 2013 GMC Yukon SLT. The blower stopped working in the back, and so I took the panels off and I checked the power. It's getting power. I literally just plugged it back in because I was going to drive to the store, pick up a new blower, and I touched the cord and the blower came on for about 60 seconds, and it went to full throttle, and then it slowly was kind of backing down and dying down, and it's a pretty good indication to me that I think the blower's done. So I'm gonna go pick up a new one, and then I'll try and take a video of myself replacing it. Hope this helps. All right, so here's the blower that died on me, and here is my new blower. Just ordered it, came in, has the correct connection and everything. So I'm gonna try and show you guys how to take it apart. Take some needle nose here, and we're just gonna pinch those in so it slips out. Okay, got the other one off. There's that little part that we just popped off. Here's our new one. It's got 3 screws and another hole for that harness clip. So we're just gonna change it out, just like that. We're gonna attach the harness clip here. Snaps in. Connect our cables, and we're done. Okay, now I just need to put my rear panels back on and test it to make sure it works. So I just started the car, or actually I put it in the ACC mode, and you can hear the blowers working now with the air on. Now I'm just going to replace the panels, and we'll be good to go.